Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on creating a full screen pop-up menu on Wix.com. So in this video, I hopefully will be covering and talking about these steps to create a pop-up menu that covers the entire screen on your desired Wix website. So let's just get started. This is how you're going to enter into your Wix website. What you need to do, first thing first, you need to go log in to your Wix.com. There you need to enter your suitable email and a suitable password, or you can also use your Google account to log in, and it is going to help you enter into your dashboard. So this is the type of the dashboard that is going to appear on your screen if you are already a user and if you have already created multiple websites. But if you are a newbie, then you gotta create a new site on Wix.com. The procedure is very easy. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial for the newbies so that this would be a detailed tutorial for those people who don't know how to use Wix. So what you need to do is answer set up without chat. You can also set without chat to bring your ideas. Okay, so here you need to answer a few simple questions, and after that you are going to have your website created. What type of website do you want to create? It could be an online store, a portfolio, a blog, a consultant, technology, company, restaurant, so many options. You can choose any one of these. Let's just say I'm looking for a blog and I am going to continue, or you can also simply go click on the skip option so that what is the advantage of answering these questions? It is that it is going to help Wix decide that what type of template you're looking for. Okay, so this type of the dashboard is going, and now I'm going to answer a few simple questions. This will be used to customize your online experience. You need to enter the name of your site, but if you are not into that, simply skip this part. What are your goals for this site? You want to sell products, collect leads, or all these questions. You can use any one of these or simply skip this portion. Okay, the answer to the last question, choose the apps you would like to add. You can skip this part or you can continue, because this is just for the sake of the video, so I'm not going to answer these questions, but you can also do the same. Okay, now I have to go to this option of design site. You are going to click on this. Let's just see what the technical issue is. Now this is the most crucial step. What you need to do is they're asking you how would you like to design your website. Either you need the help of an AI to generate a template, or you want to use the idea of Wix to help you decide what type of the template you're looking for. So according to the type of the answers that you've given to the questions, Wix is actually going to help you decide the type of the template you're looking for. I'm going to go for pick a template because this is much less of a labor bout as compared to the other option. Okay, so I'm going to choose any one of these. Let's just say I'm looking for this one. I'm going to click on edit. This might take less than a few minutes to simply prepare my site and help me decide what type of the options I'm looking for. This is how you're going to create a pop-up screen with a few simple steps. What you need to do: create an account, design the pop-up menu, add full screen background. Then you need to add the menu items. You can choose the close buttons, you can set up the triggers, you can customize your settings, and much more. You can do any one of these, because this is what I like the best about Wix, that it is going to give you several options. So this is how your website has been created. Now you are going to add the pop-up menu on the full screen Wix.com. So what you need to do is go to your add elements. Here you see there's an option of interactive. You are going to go click on this. Let's just say I click on interactive. You see there are several options of light boxes, welcome, subscribe, promotion, or contacts. You can choose any one of these. Let's just say I am looking for this promotion final sale. Let's click on this. Now this is the type of a light box. You see it is going to change color. I am going to manage the light box, and then I'm going to set the triggers. As I said before, you can also customize it using the designs. Let's just say just go to the designs, but before that I'm going to change the name of my light box. Let's just go to the settings. Here you see I am going to change it to summer sale. summer sale. Now they're asking me automatically display the lightbox in the pages. Yes. Then which page is it on? You can choose any one of the pages. It's only on home screen, but you can also put it to resume, your projects, or your contacts, to all the pages. Okay, so now you have to find out the delay. I just say the delay is off or 2 seconds, or you can also choose it to be 1 second. Okay, now you have to set the schedule, or you can link to the lightbox. How does a lightbox close? You can click on X icon, or you can click on close button if you want to close the lightbox. These were the settings for the design. Let's just check out our manage the light up box. This is how it's going to appear on the pages. You can select the trigger that it is available on any of these pages. These are the same options. I'm going to go to my layouts. Here you see there's so many options. You can use any one of these where you want to put the light box, or any. I'm just going to, I am going to go to my settings. Here I'm going to go to my design. Here I'm going to go to the settings. Here I'm going to change the opacity to 0 so that it would be transparent, so I can simply delete the extra part that I don't want. And if these are the steps I don't want, but before that I'm going to stretch it to the full screen, or as much as you want, roughly. This is not much of any struggling part. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this one. You can extend or stretch it as much as you want up to your full screen or your pop-up screen. Simply stretch it as much as you want. And then we are definitely going to pin this. Now you're going to delete the extra part you don't want. Okay, I don't want any one of these. Now this is my light mode box. You can simply go delete this option if you don't want it. Okay, so this is how I am going to go to my elements. Here I am going to my list of the codes. You can use any one of the list of the codes. Let's just say I'm looking for the boxes, or I am looking for something like menu. So I'm going to go to the vertical menus. You can choose the horizontal or the themed menus, or site search, or hamburger menus. You can use any one of these. I'm looking for the vertical menus, so I'm going to go click in this, and I am going to stretch it to whatever length I want, or you can simply go and navigate it, or you can go to manage menu to change it. This is how I want it to pop up. Now I'm going to go to the design. Here you see you can customize the design, but I don't want it, but you can use any one of these. Let's just choose this one. Okay, you can customize it as well. Go to the settings. Here you can also change the site name, or you can go to the manage menus. Here you see these options. I am trying to investigate each and every option. What you can do is also link this element to your screen by right-clicking on it and then clicking on pin to screen, and this way it will be pinned on the screen. And you can set the position. Let's just say it's 70 and 36. 70 and let's just say 36. Okay, now this is pinned to the screen. Now I'm going to go click on preview to check out how it is going to appear on my mobile mode and on my desktop mode. You can also link your lightbox to these options. You see, this is how it's going to appear. And you see this is actually pinned to your screen. You can also check it out on your mobile mode. This is how it's going to appear on your mobile mode. Let's just see. Okay, on the mobile mode it is not the lightbox option. You can also exit it by clicking on exit, and this is how it is going to unpin, and it is going to help you unpin it. So this was a simple tutorial that can help you. You can also set up the triggers, by the way. So this is how you can customize the pop-up settings, search as the animation and timings. You can also set up the cookies to control how often the pop-up is going to appear. That's it. You have successfully created a full screen pop-up menu in Wix. You can test your pop-up to make sure it works as expected. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.